How to use same WhatsApp account on two devices without using WhatsApp web. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up WhatsApp on your secondary phone. Now tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now tap on agree and continue. Now give the permissions. Now on the login page, tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now tap on link as companion device. Now open up WhatsApp on your primary device. Now on your primary phone, tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now simply tap on link devices. Now click on link a device. Now enter your password. Now tap on OK. Now give the permissions. Simply send the QR code from the secondary device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.